Hey there, and a happy Friday to you. Meteorologist Wes White in for JP on a Friday, and we've got some warmer weather to talk about. You know, today actually marks the end of meteorological wintertime, and yes, tomorrow meteorological spring begins. And it's been a wild season so far, so as no surprise, we had more wild weather today. Notice this precipitation moving into Alabama. We actually had a little bit of a wintry mix reported across parts of the area, but really nothing to cause any major issues. Temperatures out there a little lower though, because the air is still somewhat dry in the evaporational cooling process, making it feel just a little chilly out there. But you see more wet weather. This will work across the area tonight. So yeah, we're going to have some wet roads across parts of the area. If you're heading out to maybe catch a movie, heading out to eat tonight, that's what we're dealing with, this shower activity. Now this heavier rain should be out of here tomorrow, but I still can't rule out maybe a stray shower or two, and especially over western Alabama during the day tomorrow. But we will see some warmer weather on the horizon. At least tomorrow's highs in the mid-60s, but Sunday we top out in the middle 70s once we get a little bit of sunshine in here. Want to fly you way out to the west coast. You see that big swirl there off of California. Believe it or not, that's the next system that will impact us heading into the start of next week. Some of that energy will translate eastward, and we'll be talking about some rain back in here late Sunday and into Monday. In fact, that system's going to pack quite a punch across Louisiana and into Mississippi, where a slight risk for severe weather is in place. Well, here's the view over Birmingham. Big weekend. Got some baseball happening out at Regions Field. You can see those clouds moving in. Not too bad today, other than that small shower or two that we saw out there. But tonight, again, rain chances do go up a bit. Notice the futurecast. Now, this is tomorrow, 2:30 p.m., and watch how those clouds move back off to the west of us. You see that south to northward motion? That is a strong southerly flow that's really going to kick in this weekend, and I think that may be just enough to spark a shower or two during the day tomorrow. And then as we go into Sunday night and into Monday, here's that next rainmaker. You see the wet weather lined up from near Jackson to the northwest corner of Alabama. Now, this is our futurecast model. I will tell you some outliers. We had a blog post talking about this. Do show this arriving maybe a little bit later during the morning, but basically at the earliest, be ready around midnight, and that wet weather could be around for the drive early Monday morning. And yes, that is wintry precipitation. That tells us basically the cold air is not too far away, and I do think we'll see some lows in the 20-degree range. Monday night, lows around 28, much colder to the north. Right now, we don't expect any major winter storm, but certainly some cooler weather behind that system moving out on Monday. Right now, temperatures in the 50s. You see some 60s already showing up. Overnight lows stay above freezing tonight, and tomorrow we're looking at those highs in the upper 60s. 42, that's what we're going with on average for a low with those spotty showers. Mostly cloudy tomorrow. Still think we could get a little bit of sunshine in the mix, catching a few isolated showers also. Notice we got a 20% chance of rain in the forecast tomorrow. Sunday, 74. Monday, we wake up to that wet weather, and we may catch a little bit of sunshine late on Monday, and that should allow those skies to clear out with lows around 28 Monday night. Going to have to keep a close eye on Thursday, another southern tracking storm system. We're getting into March here, and it looks like the air won't be quite as brutally cold late in the week, and that will actually help us out there. To the north, there may be another winter weather threat, so we'll have to watch that setup closely. But this weekend, much warmer. We'll take those 70s that we have on the board there for Sunday. If you have any questions about the forecast, you can follow me there on Facebook, Wes Wyatt Fox 6, or on Twitter at Wes Wyatt Weather. I'll be back at 5 and 6 o'clock with an update on the weather forecast, and of course tonight at 9 and 10. Join us for an update on these rain chances coming up on Fox 6. Have a great weekend.